Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to choose and apply themes in Google Slides easily. Let's get started. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Once your presentation is open, make sure you are on the editing screen where you can see your slides and the toolbar at the top. Next, look at the top of the screen and click on the Theme option. When you click it, a panel will appear on the right side showing several available themes that you can use for your presentation. Each theme has a different design style, color combination, and font layout, which helps give your presentation a unique appearance. Browse through the different designs carefully and simply click on the one you like. As soon as you click on a theme, it will be applied immediately to all your slides automatically. This allows you to quickly preview how your presentation looks with different styles. You can try different themes until you find the one that fits your presentation best. For example, if your presentation is for school, you may want a clean and simple design. If it is for business or formal work, a professional theme often works better. If you want a professional look, choose a simple theme with balanced colors and clear fonts. Avoid using themes with too many bright colors if you want your presentation to look clean and easy to read. You can also change the theme later at any time if you decide to use a different style. And that's it. You have successfully applied a theme to your presentation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. See you in the next video.